Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. Let's learn some MS Excel formulas. This is the raw data we have. These are the name of items, quantity of items. Let's count how many entries we have, and the formula for count the entries is count. It is actually a function. Every function and formula starts with the sign of equal to. Count and select the range we want to count. Count actually counts the those cells which have numeric values. Close the parentheses, enter. The answer is 6. We have total 6 entries. Let's apply condition, and to apply a condition we have a function count. If press the tab button and select this range. Now I want to see that how many cells contain the word bulb. Comma, colon, bulb, colon. Close the parentheses and press enter. 3. We have 3 cells which contain the value bulb. Next we have the function sum equal to sum. Select the range, that how many total items we have. Close the parentheses and enter. Total 33 items we have. And now if we want to calculate the how many bulbs, there are 3 cells which contain the value bulb. Now we want to see that how many bulbs in total are there. So we have a formula of SUMIF. We want to sum those items with if statement, with if condition, that if those cells have the bulb then count, otherwise don't count. Select the range, comma, those cells which contains the value bulb, comma, from here it will pick the values. Close the parentheses, press enter. 13. There are 13 bulbs in total. 4 and 4, 8 and 5, 13. So the next formula we have to calculate the average equal to average and select the range. Press enter. 5.5. We have total amount is 33 divided by, we have total entries 6. 33 divided by 6 is equal to 5.5. The next function we have is AverageA. What is the difference in average and AverageA? AverageA actually calculates the whole cells which contains numeric values or which contains the strings. So it calculates all, and it actually ignored the empty cells. Now this cell is empty, it will not be counted. So average A, select the range, close parentheses and press enter. So the total number divided by the total number of cells. The true value contains the value 1 and the false or any other string contains the value 0. So the value of total value of these selected range will be 33. This 33 in total up till here, and plus 1, 34 and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 34 divided by 9 is equal to 3.77778. Next formula we have is average if. Now what average if does, it actually gives you the average of the selected portion, or whatever we select, it will provide the average of those cells only. The formula average if select the range. Now we want to apply the bulb, the condition, the word bulb, that we want average of those cells which contain the word bulb. Bulb double colon bulb comma, then select this range, close the parentheses, press enter. 4.3333. So it will give the average of only those cells which contain the value against bulb. Or to simplify this formula, we can write equal to average if select this range till here, comma, now we want to apply a condition, those items which contains the value above 5, close the parentheses and press enter. 7.5. There are only two items which contain the value of greater than 5, 8 and 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. So these are very basic formulas. I hope you have subscribed my channel, and remember to press the bell icon so that my latest videos may reach up to you. Thank you so very much.